Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie and today we're making fudgy brownies. Okay, let's get started. This is all the ingredients I'm going to use. But first we have to preheat the oven. Make sure you preheat it to 350. First you need to take a bar of chocolate like this and we're going to cut it up. Very carefully cut it. I'm just gonna use my hands. It's not breaking. But my hands. Oh my gosh, it's not breaking. It's not coming unbroke. How is this gonna work? Maybe ask your parents for help. I know I got a little bit of the other one there because I'm not a really good cutter. That's okay. My mommy kind of helped me, but I'm going to do the rest. Now put it in a bowl like this. Melt this chocolate in the microwave. To take a bowl like this and melt butter and sugar. Let's pour it in. This recipe from Tasty. And put the recipe in the description below. Okay, let's mix this up. It's already turning into brownies because look at this. It feels like, it's like snow. Crack 2 eggs into the mixture. Now it's time to add vanilla. We add 2 of these. Okay, let's just mix everything together. Next you have to pour in your melted chocolate. Once you pour your chocolate in, mix it all together. Ooh, it's looking like brownies. It smells like chocolate because we put so much chocolate in it. Now you're gonna add your cocoa powder and flour and your salt into here. You're gonna slowly stir this together, but don't over mix it. Once it's mixed, it will look like this. Now you take another chocolate bar and you cut it up to little chunks. Now I just have this and now I have to cut it. It's done. Now I'm gonna add the chocolate into the mixture. Now you're gonna slowly mix it together. Now you pour your mixture into your pan. Once you pour it in, the pan, it will look like this. Now put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Okay, see you when it's done cooking. Okay guys, they're all done and they're super fudgy. Let's taste it. That's hot. So good. You should really make these brownies. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.